This is Megan with the AG News. Hey guys, it's Megan with the AG News. So first off, let's talk about some new YouTubers. The very first YouTuber we will be talking about is AG Touchstones. They have a really good channel and I love their stop motion videos. Make sure you go subscribe to their channel. Now let's talk to our other newscaster, Jessica. Hi, I'm Jessica and I am a gymnast from the Rainbow Muffin AG Gymnastics Academy. We worked really hard and I'm looking forward to competing in the AG Olympics soon. Jessica for reminding us, the AG Olympics. The AG Olympics was great this year. They had amazing gymnasts and other people doing other sports. But what was your favorite? Make sure you comment down below what was your favorite. I'm Megan, your AG newscaster, and we'll see you next time.